Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your you and yours reading. Leo, you and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. This could be anyone, could be a lover, could be a crush, could be a mother-in-law, could be your father, could be a child, could be your neighbor or a boss. So let's see who's affecting your energy, Leo, the most now and how you can deal with it. Okay, let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Leo, these are general. This is a general collective reading. Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you. Leave the rest. So Leo, before we begin, let's start with a Ganesha Oracle card and see what Lord Ganesha has for you. What blessing or an advice card Lord Ganesha can give us for Leo? Lord Ganesha, a blessing or an advice for my Leo, my lions and lionesses, please. A blessing or an advice card. And let's take from our angels as well. Blessing or an advice card for my Leo, please. Okay, so Lord Ganesha gives us this one, Leo, for you. And my angels wish to give you this, I think. Let's put this back. So Leo, Lord Ganesha gives you the card of acceptance. And my angels give you the card of look deeper. So whatever you think is going on, you probably don't have all the facts yet, Leo. There are things going on behind the scenes which you're not aware of. Okay, so I have no clue what you need to accept now, Leo. So we're going to check up, but I was earlier doing a reading, Leo, and something very strange happened. In the middle of the reading, I paused it for a second, and when I resumed it again, and I did the entire reading. It's only after I finished the reading I realized that it was still on pause, right? So is there something in your life, Leo, that has been cut short? So I did begin the reading again, and now here it is. So that means something maybe new is coming along for you, Leo. So if something is, the whole reading was about that, about something which is ending and looking forward to new beginnings. So let's see what comes out this time, Leo. Let's check why these two cards are here today, and let's see why that reading got cut short and what these angel blessings mean for you. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. You're very kind to me. Thank you for supporting the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. You decide which side you resonate with, okay? From my side, I'll be calling one side person A and this side person B. So Leo, bottom of my deck, I do have the Star in reverse. So I think you need a lot of healing right now, Leo. And also you may be feeling that some of your dreams and wishes haven't really come true with whatever you're going through right now. Because that's the message I got in my last reading, which got cut short as well. Let's see what's coming up. Devil in reverse for person A, Ten of Swords in reverse, Wheel of Fortune, the Moon, the Queen of Cups, and the Four of Pentacles. I'm flabbergasted. These are almost the exact same cards I got last time. Let's see. For person B, Nine of Wands, the Fool, the Lovers, Six of Swords, Queen of Wands, and the Hermit. So Leo, let's start with the energies of person A. Now Leo, this could be you, right? So once I do side one, you'll get to know whether this is your person or maybe you're on the other side. So yes, for person A, I see that they are trying to release, release and release. I have 3 cards of major release and making some decisions now about releasing. I have the devil in reverse, which means releasing something which really was toxic, which kept, person A chained to something. You see, the minute I say chained, here is the 9 of swords, which is see this woman totally chained and tied and bound and stressed out basically. So this person has been in this mode for a very long time, Leo, and now they're making some decisions to unchain themselves, unbind themselves from maybe a relationship which is now in their mind totally over. Yes, person A is now looking forward to a fresh new beginning, taking a leap of faith into something new. I think they have been in this state for a very long time. And it's time now, they feel that, it's time for my new beginning. It's time now to make decisions about ending something. Whatever said and done, this relationship has kind of made person A not feel victorious. This wasn't something that they want to continue. They've been feeling very stuck in this relationship, and certain things have come to light now. Some secrets have been revealed. And yes, this person is feeling like nothing is really moving forward anymore. Person A is right now sitting in their regrets, looking at the past, looking at all these 3 cups which spilled to the ground. A lot of sadness about how things ended, and feeling bored, nostalgic, reminiscing about the past, feeling basically depressed, okay, rejected and dejected. So, and also feeling like they lost out, right? They really feel this, there is no more forward movement here. Maybe some secrets came out regarding this. Maybe this was a marriage. Yes, maybe this was a marriage or a long-term partnership, but now they see this tower that's falling. Yes, it's been very painful, and maybe you or both of you have had this fear of changing it or finishing it, or wanting to drag it for as long as you wanted. But now you're seeing that yes, the longer you're going to keep this relationship going, it's only going to make you feel weaker and weaker and weaker. And yes, this could have been a marriage, this could have been a long-term partnership, but maybe this person was not very emotionally available for you, person A. This person may have been a little emotionally manipulative or not showed emotions. There was not an equal partnership here where 2 people love each other and are honest and show each other their true emotions. King of Cups in reverse is a character who has a lot of trouble actually vocalizing or speaking what's in their heart. They may have a love, but they end up looking like a manipulator, or sometimes they even are, right? They use their emotions to manipulate people. But yes, the person A is now thinking that's better now that I just finished this chapter of my life altogether, and person A has also now pulled back their energy. Okay, I have a feeling this could be the feminine energy. I'm not sure, but when I say feminine and masculine, Leo, to be honest, we embody both. So when I say feminine, it doesn't mean the woman in the dynamic, okay? The person who was more nurturing, who was kinder, who was more, softer, who wanted emotional support, would be the feminine, who would be embodying their feminine side. Could be a macho man embodying their feminine side. Right? So, but this person has been feeling very overwhelmed with this ongoing struggle that they've had in this partnership or marriage, and now is kind of pulling back their love and no longer wanting to give to this connection anymore. From what I see here, Leo, person A is now ready to release, right? They're no longer wanting to hold on. So, Queen of Cups spirit, why is the Queen of Cups in reverse? Why is the Queen of Cups in reverse? Yes, now they're making a decision. They're making a choice which is firm of this is it. I can't do this no more. Four of Pentacles spirit. Four of Pentacles in reverse. What are they releasing now? They're releasing this conflict between the 2 of you, Leo. Leo, this could be you, as I keep saying, but person A is now ready to give up the fight, give up holding on to this connection, no longer wanting to fight with person B, and now wants to charge ahead to find maybe happiness for themselves. So, Spirit, what are they charging towards now? What does person A want to move towards? What does person A want to move towards now? They just want to drop this heavy burden that they've been carrying. Maybe, with so much heaviness on their heart, on their mind, on their soul, they haven't really been able to make any progress in their life. Now they want to be light as a feather, have this brand new leap of faith, and drop whatever was not serving them, whatever was not working for them. Right? So this was person A's energy. Now let's come to person B's energy and see what person B is going through. Person B is also not fighting for the connection, Leo. Person B also has the 9 of Wands in reverse. That means no longer fighting for this connection. They feel they've been tricked, maybe. They feel they've been tricked. They feel they've been made a fool of. They are also wanting to come out of this stuck place. Maybe they tried coming back once or twice to person A, but now whatever memories now there are of this connection are not the best, right? Now they are no longer, maybe at one point they seemed like a soulmate connection, forever, happily ever after, we are soulmates. But now whatever has gone on between the two of you, this person is still kind of wrapped up in the bad memories now that have been created between the two of you. And maybe they tried making up or kind of going back to this connection a couple of times where I don't think it worked, but now this person is feeling like a fool and wanting to come out of the stuck position they find themselves in. Person B also has the exact same card as the Lovers in reverse, which is they are also making the same decision. Why does person B have the Fool in reverse, Spirit? Why does person B have the Fool in reverse? They feel that each time they've tried to kind of reconcile maybe or go back to person A, it's always ended up in a fight. Somebody's tried to be one up on them. There have been arguments. There's been harsh words exchanged. And each time they return feeling like an idiot, right? It hasn't worked out. So I think person B is also making that same choice that, hey, I think it's time to make a decision whether to, make it work or not. Person A is very sure. Person B is still kind of in hermit mode and thinking. And what's this Lovers in reverse, Spirit? What is person B still not sure about? What decision are they making? What decision do they want to make? Or are they making? Too many cards. One more, Spirit. The Lovers in reverse. One more. Leo, this could be you. I have the King of Wands here, which is your card. They're making a choice now not to kind of also hold back, basically, to stop communication and now maybe, move forward in their life. Try something new maybe, or work on their projects, or work on their new businesses, or take some action in their life. They feel somewhere down the line they went the wrong way. And that's what kind of made this feminine here very angry and upset with them. 6 of Swords, Spirit. 6 of Swords. 6 of Swords. Person B has been quite badly hurt as well. They are now kind of I think in hermit mode and going through all the reasons why this relationship broke up. I think there's a lot of contemplation going on, Leo, for I think this masculine, the thinking, contemplation, also thinking of all the reasons why things went south, why things didn't work out, why hearts got broken when there was a potential, of so much happiness between the two of you. They are also realizing that it could be because, they did not have communication, proper communication with their partner, or maybe they were too busy pursuing their own goals, their own desires, their own businesses, their own growth maybe, and what is it that made their feminine get so upset and angry. So I think there's a lot of contemplation going on here, Leo, between the two of you. Sorry, excuse me, I had to cut my phone. Queen of Wands spirit, who's this Queen of Wands, and why is person B thinking so heavily about them? They know that person A has stopped communication with them. They're trying to tap into their own intuition now as to why person A no longer wants to work with them, why there was a fight in the first place, why there was so much anger and resentment. So there's a lot of contemplation on person B's side, right? They're trying to understand why this relationship is falling apart before they come into acceptance of the fact that maybe it's time. So Hermit spirit, what's this Hermit? Heart of hearts, I think Leo, person B would, is still kind of trying to understand it, trying to get some clarity, trying to see things from all sides, because heart of hearts, I think person B at least has a lot of love for person A still. Right? They would still be okay with a reconciliation and a rebirth. Now, I don't know which one of this here is you, Leo, but there is one person here who is giving up, and the other person who's trying to figure out their mistakes and would, kind of be happy if things could turn around and come back into. So let's see your mutual energies. King of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. So, King of Pentacles spirit, why is the King of Pentacles here in their mutual energy for Leo and the partner? Yes, there is a masculine energy here, Leo, who would like to still appear as the stable one, who would like to kind of take charge of this relationship once again and maybe bring balance back into this relationship. But I do see a feminine here who is again in the Queen of Cups energy and is no longer now willing to work on this relationship anymore. So there is a total difference between both of you. Knight of Wands spirit, why is the Knight of Wands in their mutual energy? Why is the Knight of Wands in their mutual energy now? One more. I think there's a lot of contemplation from both ends about maybe certain things which were done which were not to the highest good of this relationship. Person A is thinking of it. Person B, of course, we saw was in hermit mode, always also contemplating. Maybe there were player ways. Maybe, they were in and out of person A's life, not giving attention when it was required. Maybe giving very, very little and maybe after their own goals and ambitions. So I think both of you are right now in that place where there is a lot of deep thinking going on about why this relationship has or is ending. I don't see either of you very happy though, Leo. Both of you are in the Nine of Swords, having sleepless nights, not being able to sleep, and still stressing about this partnership which is on its way out, right? This may have been a marriage, Leo. This could have been a long-term partnership, but now you're both realizing that this soulmate connection is no longer loving anymore. The Two of Cups is in reverse, right? And when you guys think about it, it still kind of bothers you. Maybe on a subconscious mind, Leo, you can all say, no, I'm over so-and-so and, I'm ready for the new. But please know that the human mind is very complex. We hide certain emotions, and when especially at night when the world is quiet, we do go back into all our failures, all our why things happened the way they did, and it does hurt. And even if one party wants to end it, the other party doesn't want to, it doesn't mean that the person A is not hurting. The hurt is equal. Nobody really likes that things have ended, or there's been a stoppage to this flow of what could have been a beautiful Ten of Pentacles at one point. Right? But it is in the reverse now, Leo. But this is, I think, the next few days you guys are just kind of going to come into acceptance of what is now, not what could have been or what should have been. Right? So look deeper, Leo. Maybe there is a lesson in here for you, because soulmates do come into your life to teach you. They come in. They come in to teach you a lesson. They come into your life to for a reason, season, lifetime. So maybe this soulmate. Think about the lessons you've learned, okay, and just try not to repeat that in future. So let's see after this contemplation if anything can be resolved here, Leo. We'll keep checking as the weeks go by. But at the moment, I think both of you are healing and getting over something which maybe didn't work out. Okay? I'm sorry if that's what you're going through, Leo. Till this weekend reading then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Leo.